Cruising with Louie. You ready? Come on, Lou. Let's go. Come on, bud. Come on. Go. Go. Come on, Lou. Get up in front. Can't go unless you go. So, come on, Luigi. Okay, so Louie loves to go for walks. Where, come on, bud. You gotta slow down. You gotta get up ahead of me. Come on, Lou. Let's go. You ready? Let's go. Come on. Go, Lou. Come on. Go. Good boy. So we're on an electric scooter, and Louie's only gonna go as fast as he wants to go. So he's not pulling us. So don't want anyone to think I'm having the dog drag me around. This scooter goes up to 16 miles an hour, and he will max it out. So what we're doing is we're being really cautious. So as I'm riding, I'm giving him the lead, and I'm not gonna pass him. So we're just gonna let Louie take the lead and show us how far and fast he wants to go today. Good boy, Lou. Good boy. Okay, now he's done playing. Now he's gonna do his little run. So Lou goes all the way around the block. Good boy, Lulu. Got his little incentive. See, right now the scooter's going 13 miles an hour, and I'm keeping some slack in the collar, or some slack in the leash, so he's not having to pull me. So now we're getting a little bit closer, so I back off. So we're just letting Louie dictate how fast or how slow we're going. So I just don't want anyone to be commenting you're making your dog pull you. This works really well. It's giving Lou the exercise that he needs, because I have a bad knee, and I can't jog this fast. So this has been something that works for us. There we go. Better turn. Good boy, Lou. And he's taking off toward home. So once we turn the corner, he wants to head back toward the house. He will continue to go if I let him. I try to keep it to one little jaunt around the block, and it seems to work. So, good boy, Lou. You good boy, Lou. Good boy, Lou. And as you can tell, he loves it. Loves running. Actually, it's probably a jog for him. For me, this would be, I don't know, 10, 11 miles an hour. I couldn't maintain this pace, but it really gives him the exercise that he wants. So that's good. Good boy, Lulu. You go, Lou. Once we make it back to the house, he'll want to run in circles on his leash. So one thing I have to try to train him a little bit better is to be able to pay attention when he goes in the street, because he'll just jart across. So I know where he'll make the turn, but I literally have him on a leash, so don't really need to worry too much. Good boy, Lou. Slow her down, Louie. He's gonna make a hard left. So I'm basically looking behind us and across from us, and there he goes on his turn. There you go, Lou. Now he wants to play. Good boy, Lou. You did a good job, Lou. Good job. Good boy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go, Louie.